So most people choose cigars because of their reputation, but today I want to help you choose a cigar because of the moment. A lot of people get it wrong. You choose a cigar because it's ranking high in one of these magazines or a newspaper or somebody else told you about it, but that sometimes can be a mistake and give you a really bad experience. So today I'm joined here with my friend Kourosh, and together as we enjoy this Tatuaje Cabaiguan, I'm going to give you 3 steps to help you choose the right cigar for the right moment. That is going to help you enjoy more of your cigar, have a better experience, and at the same time, we're going to enjoy this beautiful cigar and give you a little bit of notes that we pick up in the way. So it's like a review in between having some tips. I chose this cigar for this episode because I think it will be suitable, but I want your real opinion. It's not so much a review of the cigar. I want to know, obviously you got to enjoy it, but also, do you think for today's setting, the time that we have available, was it a good choice? So as we go along, I'll give you a little bit of points that I think we should consider, and you tell me if this is met on this episode.
Okay.
All right. Well, first of all, I see you're examining this Cabaiguan. Tell me what you think.
Smells nice. The wrapper color is like a
very, very light color,
like
isn't it?
golden.
Beautiful. Yes. I like that.
I haven't seen that really. And it's what's this? Is a short robusto?
It's a robusto, yes.
Robusto, and it had a pink.
It has a pigtail, yeah. That one, unfortunately.
Did you eat my pigtail?
No, when I pulled it out of the cellophane, I think I pinched it. Well, we can swap if you want. You can have this one.
Huh? No, it's okay.
You sure? You can have this one.
You're the master.
So yes, the reason why I kept this one was to tell you this is a Tatuaje Cabaiguan, and is a Rothschild vitola, which is 4 3 inches, 52 ring gauge. Is made in Nicaragua in my father factory, and the wrapper, this beautiful wrapper, is an Ecuadorian Connecticut shade. The binder and filler are Nicaraguan with Cuban seed tobacco in the blend. This is a cigar that you're gonna get some cedar, some hay, some toasted bread, some espresso notes, and a bit of cocoa. But we'll see to that as we enjoy it. Especially I want to see what Kourosh reviews of this. I smoked it before, I picked up those notes, but I always let Kourosh tell us what he's picking up.
Minty.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, all right.
I haven't turned it on this.
So the cold draw for you was a bit minty. Okay.
Let's talk. Can we talk about the cigar a little bit?
Yeah. So obviously we are now on the
halfway.
Yeah, middle third. What did you pick up on the first third, or even now?
So the draw is good. I would say it's a medium.
Yep.
Too strong maybe.
Yeah.
Bodied. It had some like hay, cedar, and pepper.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty.
Pepper in the finish. There's a bit of sweetness and creaminess on the smoke, but also the cedar, like you said, a bit of hay, maybe some roasted nuts. It is very light, although on the aftertaste, that bitterness, the pepperiness is very pronounced.
The smoke is a bit dark.
Yeah.
What's that?
No, it's thick. It's thick. I think it's the lighting that makes it look a bit dark, but it is quite thick and creamy. You know. The aftertaste, it lingers for a little bit, but then you're okay. Obviously, I'm talking and I'm enjoying the coffee.
Wrapper is nice. So what's the
really
name?
like it. Cabaiguan.
Cabaiguan. Tattoo?
Tatuaje.
Okay. Can you translate?
So it's tattoo. Tatuaje en español, tattoo.
Okay.
Cabaiguan. Cabaiguan is just the name.
Cabaiguan is the name of the brand, and the tattoo.
No, Tatuaje is the name of the brand.
Tatuaje.
Yeah, Cabaiguan is the name of this.
So tattoo means tattoo.
Tattoo, yeah.
Okay.
And it's made by a gentleman called Pete Johnson. But these cigars are rolled in my father's cigar factory, which we smoked the cigar.
Where is the factory?
Nicaragua.
There's this thing I don't get.
What?
On the ring, it's look. It says hand, and the other side says made.
Actually, they do have very simple bands on their cigars. I think is a choice that they call tattoo. I would have thought they'll be really bold and colorful. But they are very, very not simple, very subtle. I think for this cigar is beautiful that there's not a lot of color because the wrapper is what stands out.
It's the golden wrap.
Beautiful wrap. And when you have the full box, fine, these are inside of cellophane. But when you look at the box, I have some B-roll, maybe we can show you. I think it's just beautiful. I think I've only smoked one cigar with this before. They gave me this note. But yeah, even breathing in feels minty, like not minty as mint, as a menthol.
Like eucalyptus. One of those menthol pills, yes. Or the things you put in.
Yes.
Yeah. But it's slight, it's not that
If
much.
you ask a Latino, it'll be like vapor rub, yeah? Oh, but so for Latinos, vapor rub is like the cure of everything, yeah?
Vapor what?
Vapor rub.
What's that?
It's like Vaseline,
okay,
but with menthol inside.
Okay.
And when you have a cold, you put it on. They put it on all the time. It's like for everything, cures everything. You go to bed, they put on your chest. You have a fever, they put on your head. It's like the Windex. You know that movie with the guy with the Windex, the Greek guy? Everything was Windex.
My big fat Greek wedding.
Yes. Latinos.
The Windex was.
Especially like my parents' generation. So I'm in the last third. You're in the last third as well? Mm-hmm. That menthol note that I've been talking about.
It's quite prominent.
Yeah. It is very pronounced here, especially on the aftertaste. I wouldn't say on the actual note or the smoke. I did the retrohale, I didn't pick it up there, but on the aftertaste, it's there.
Just for the viewers, don't get it wrong. It's not overpowering. It's not like smoking a menthol cigarette or anything like that. It has just
a tiny hint.
That note.
Yeah. Again, to me, is something that I enjoy. I really like the changes in a cigar. Even if we're talking like coffee, chocolate and things like that, but
I wouldn't like this taste at night.
And I wouldn't like this at the beginning.
Uh-huh.
I wouldn't like this taste at the beginning of the cigar either. Because now, if we had this at the beginning, this is going to stay on the tongue, on the palate for a long time. It will taste like this all the way. Having it at the end, I think works really well. I don't know, well, you having it at the end as well. I don't know if that's how they build the cigar, if this is on purpose, but at the end, it's perfect because you end up with a nice freshy, I don't know, it's cool. I like it.
Yeah, at the beginning, what do you call it? The
cold draw.
Cold draw, yeah. That was not on the smoke.
Not on the smoke, no. Not on the smoke.
Okay, yeah.
On the smoke, it was cedary, hay, things like that. But now it's very prominent, and it's quite nice. Ending on this note, I would like to say, I mean, different as well. A cigar that you will remember. It's not a note that you see a lot, that you pick up a lot, so you remember this. So nice. We're at the end of the cigar. We're probably I want to enjoy this after the camera, just a little bit. But before we end, I want to ask you, what has been a cigar that you have tried one moment, a certain time of your day, whatever, that you had a great experience, and the same cigar at a different moment and you had a bad experience. Tell us which cigar was that, or give us the list of the cigars that Kourosh asked before in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Kourosh, thank you so much for your time, your input, and sharing with us.
Man, time flew this time.
Yeah, it's really nice. And until next time, guys, thank you very much. There's another video here that I'm going to recommend for you. There's another one here that YouTube thinks you're gonna like. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.